Good morning. No, I know this is not my normal time, but guess what? My Chalk Couture kit arrived. I wanted to show you from the very beginning. I haven't opened it yet. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's check it out. Design, love, repeat. Love that. I did open the tape. I cut the tape over here, but I didn't open it yet. Here we go. I love it when FedEx is early. Ooh, look. Isn't this box cool? Okay, so let's take this out of the, it's a box in a box. All right, let's review. All right, oh, this has a great little handle. We could take it for a walk. It says starter kit. Ready? Ta-da! Oh, I like this. In here it says, if you can dream it, you can do it. And of course it's in my color. Hey, Mary Lou. Shh, I'll be quiet. I won't yell, I promise. Okay, so let's get my scissors. Let's open up this part. I know, I couldn't do this by myself. I wanted everyone to stop over. Come see what we got. Okay, so here's all the like details in here. The new catalog. Oh no, this is the autumn winter catalog. My new one's coming. It's not here yet. So this is the current one right this minute. Look. There's something about having it in your hot little hand. Okay, so there's that. We'll be looking at that over coffee. These are my transfers to get started. Look at them all. Oh, I love those. Those are great, sweet little ones. Hugs and kisses. Perfect. These are to label, like my t-shirt. All right, so there's that. Yup. Next, we have more over here. Stay cozy. I need that today. It's kind of chilly out there. And believe in yourself. I actually have one on my wall that's similar to that. Cool. All right, and then this tells me all the important things I need to know. We'll put that away. We don't read directions. What else is in here? I'm gonna have to hold it there. The board and base. This is cool. This is new. But maybe I'll open everything, get it out of the box, and then I can move the crazy box. My apron, because I might get messy. You guys know I don't do messy. These are great little note cards. Chalk chips. My squeegee, then my paste. Let's see, this is bright white. Probably will use that one a lot. I can't get it out. Ooh, I like this one. Raspberry sorbet. Meadow. Why don't you want to come out? What is your deal? Ooh, that's pretty. Colonial blue. And Shimmer Harvest. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. Okay, let's see what else we got under the box. This is my Club Couture. This should be January, I believe. This is how it comes in the mail when you belong to Club Couture, which is really the way to do it. Yep, this is January. You and me. All right. Whoops. I knew that box was going to do that. And then the bottom, let me get this out of the camera way, is my Aiden board. Chalk Couture has a bunch of different kinds of surfaces. These are the two varieties. This is, it's called a boutique. I'm learning a lot. And this one is just basically a chalkboard. Nothing crazy about it. They're all reusable. I do know that. And I can't wait to go play. You notice they just shred right in. So this goes like this. And this holds your board. Clearly I'm inept. It looks real simple when other people do it. Maybe the first time it's more difficult? Oh yeah. You just need to give it a little elbow grease. Pushes right in. And then let's open this one. Mary Lou, I think it's you and me. Or everyone else is being really quiet. So cool. And this is like the board you'll use all the time. I'm going to save that box to carry it in. This is a magnet as well. Super smooth. This one's not a magnet. All right. So now, for example, this will fit on there. I think some of the other ones I took out will too. Well, I'm off to play. I'm going to go see how this looks, and I'll be back to show you later. Here's my apron, so I can get messy. Paste. Ooh. All right, everybody. I'll be back. I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye, Mary Lou. Go back to work.